Today, guys, we're gonna play Dangerous Night. Basically, we're gonna play this game to survive any day. How long? How many days? Just how long? Well, let's find out how long we're gonna be here. Furnish. I know I'm not blind. It says furnish because what? Why am I already? Oh, I saved it. I think I saved it. Or there's no save. Oh. Alright. Play. Alright guys, this is my house. The reason I'm putting a TV, because monsters might come. So I have a lot of food. Oh wait, we still have morning actually.
Nasimulan na ang paglilitis kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa November 30.
Just putting.
Ng kasong crimes against humanity. Sa isinumiting dokumento ng
I don't know if you guys can hear my dad's watching news. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. Right. Well, you know what? I wanna actually climb there. I wanna see how hard. This is like 2008, but we're outside. Should we get here? Paintings. Let's pick paintings. No, I wanted the funny one. Definitely not picking those. Oh, this fire. How can I? Wait, how? Oh, we hold. I've played this game before. Alright, go. Alright, let's go back already.
Magandang hapon, Pilipinas.
Kasama ang puwersa ng News 5.
Ito, Frontline Pilipinas Weekend. Babaeng magsasaka sa Negros Occidental.
Alright, go.
Kasunod ng bigla.
I'm stuck! Yun. I'm lucky. Okay, Oh wait, I already have one.
Number 9. Never cheat, never steal. Pangulong Bongbong Marcos may ginis ng graduate ng Philippine Military Academy. At kilala din ang valedictorian ng class 2026 na isang ating model at Ballerina.
Where should we put this? Here. Yo, we're almost at Fort 90.
Send na ng email sa mga natin. Follow mo dun sa mga kung na course ni Muting. Kaya naman nag-usap kami ni Muting eh.
Anong course nila?
Alright,
Nandito ba ba yung sinabi ni Ate dito?
Ano?
Pinutulan daw yung nasa hawak.
Hindi, nakabit na.
Pero nakutulan daw hawak?
Siguro na hindi nila nabayaran.
Alright guys, I have to end the video. My mom is calling.
Pero nakita mo na pinamit?
Just kidding. I just had to end the
Sabi
video.
kasi ni
So, peace.
ni Muting.
Peace.
Baka yun si Ate naman yan. Pero
Peace.
ikaw napansin mo.
And peace. Peace, guys.
Baka nakabit